take you over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
Hey there, today we're doing a super beautiful look which can be used during daytime, nighttime, or during some fancy events. So starting off with a nice light pink shade, I'm going ahead and blending that into my crease, just trying to get an even layer over my primed eyelid. Super duper important for any sorts of colorful looks like these. Now going in with a darker pinkish shade, going ahead and blending that into my crease using the sweeping motion as we used before, and beginning to define my outer corner a little bit more, so that way we can have the definition of the shape of the eye start to fall into place. Taking a little more of that same shade, going back in and making it a little bit deeper so that way when we cut the crease it's more of a contrast and something to really make the eye pop and sparkle. Now I'm going ahead and taking some white concealer to cut my crease. It's important to take your time with this because this can be a little tricky and you want to get the sharpest line possible. Once you have the line you want for your cut crease, go ahead and begin to blend it out using your brush. I personally like to use white concealer over regular skin toned concealer since it gets a better contrast and it makes any sort of color you want to use pop. For this look, we're treating this as a full cut crease, so I'm making that half oval shape over my eye, rather than when we do a half cut crease and only bringing it to about 3/4 or half of the way over my eyelid. Now with that cut crease complete, I'm going to go ahead and take a lighter pink shimmery shade and begin to pack that on my lid. Next I'm taking a medium pink shimmer shade and packing that on the center of my lid. And lastly taking another deeper pink shade and putting that on the outside. Next taking some liquid liner and doing just a simple line so that it creates a nice barrier for lashes. Now we're taking some of that nice pink shade and dragging it under the lower lash line to just add some more dimension and again help the eyes pop and bring this whole look together essentially. Now we're going to add some fun lashes and yeah, here's the look. Thank you guys for sticking around and I can't wait to see what you guys do.